Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove items from your cart on Groupon. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Groupon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your cart and all your saved deals. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a cart icon there which represents your shopping cart. Click on this icon to open your cart and view all the items you've added. This is where Groupon stores all the deals and vouchers you're considering purchasing, making it easy to review everything in one place before checking out. Once your cart opens, you'll see a list of all the items you've added. Take a moment to browse through them and locate the specific item you want to remove. This could be a deal you've changed your mind about or something you accidentally added while browsing. It's common to add multiple deals and then decide which ones you actually want to purchase later. Now, look carefully next to the item you want to remove. You'll notice a trash icon positioned right beside it. This trash icon is the delete button that allows you to remove items from your cart quickly. Go ahead and click on this trash icon. The moment you click the trash icon, the item should disappear from your cart immediately. Groupon removes it right away, so you won't need to confirm the deletion or wait for any additional processing. This makes managing your cart fast and straightforward, especially when you're trying to clean up your selections. If you have multiple items you'd like to remove, simply repeat these same steps for each one. Just find the next item you want to delete, click the trash icon next to it, and watch it disappear from your cart. You can remove as many items as you need until your cart contains only the deals you actually want to purchase. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Groupon cart by removing unwanted items. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.